Hi there, lovelies. So I've been thinking about painting these candlesticks. I love them. I really love them. And I've decided not to paint them. I've decided to lime wax. Hang on. Yeah. Hang on. Let's get that down because I've decided to lime wax them. So I'll just give this a good stir, get it ready. I just want them lighter, but not artificially, sort of painted. So I thought I'd use this. There, I think you can see the difference, can't you? The one on the left, it's gone really pale. It's nice. I'll do the other one. I think I'm just going to give them one coat. I don't want to risk two coats. I might do a bit more on the base of that one on the left. I don't think I put enough on, but I'll just give them the one coat, I think. Look nice, don't they? Hi there. I'm going to make some Cornish pasties today. Now, I got onion, swede, which is, I think some people call it turnip, and potato, of course. Now, they've got to be chopped quite fine. You don't want, great lumps in your pasty. So, right, let's see what's happening here. Now, I might do them a bit thinner. Not sure, just to make them a bit bigger. The ingredients. I put a lot more steak in these. Okay, let's do the crimpy dimpies. Not very good at crimping, but there. Now I can't find my brush, which is very naughty. But hey, what can I say? Pastry brush. Okay. Well, done my pastry. Oh, how lovely. Right, this one. Look, there's enough seasoning in this thing. Let me tell you about pasties, shall I? Well, the original Cornish pasties, by the way, they're not allowed to be called Cornish pasties if they're not made in Cornwall. They've just got to be called pasties, and that is a fact. They're not allowed to, companies are not allowed to market them as Cornish pasties unless they're made in Cornwall. Interesting fact. And the other thing is, in the olden days, the pasties, they'd be a lot bigger than this, of course. The pasties used to be, they used to have a pastry partition in the middle. And one half was with the meat and potatoes, savoury. And the other half, see, this works just as well, look. And the other half was apple, like an apple pie. So that the miners, this was primarily for miners and farmers, and it was so that the miners had a savoury meal and a sweet meal. The miners or the farmers. Let's get these in. They're a bit raggy, but let's get these in. And oh yeah, and the end bits, they always had let me show you. These end bits, they made them extra thick. I haven't, but they made them extra thick so that they could be held by that, and with dirty hands and things like that. And then the end bit they threw to what was called the knockers, and the knockers are the spirits of miners that have been killed in the mine. Oh, how about that? So there we are. So I'll put these in the oven now. So there we are. Not the best crimping in the world, but they do taste nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Meanwhile, sending lots of love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.